We don't market like a franchise, we infiltrate like a community local. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer Sargeant. I'm the creator of Digital Sargeant, and I own a digital marketing agency right outside the Orlando area. And if you're watching this video today, it's because you likely own a franchise and your marketing is flopping. I hear this all the time. I talk to franchise owners who relied on their corporate or their headquartered franchise marketing only for it to fall flat on the local level. Or I hear that they don't like what the franchise is doing and they want more of a local approach. Or the worst case scenario, the franchise marketing agency is preventing you from doing what you want to do on a local level. I get it. There's regulations, there's corporate talk, there's branding, there are guidelines. I understand all that. We work with franchises in a ton of different industry spaces, and we know how to weave in and out and work nicely as a team with your franchise head of marketing, but we do things a little bit differently. We infiltrate at the local level. So the franchise is typically pretty good at targeting the corporate national brand element, but we go to the local level. So here are some tips that we do when it comes to working with our local franchises and how we help get them maximum visibility. It's going to be your basics, right? I'm talking your Google business profile. It needs to be optimized. You need to be posting on it. You need to be, taking care of it, things like that. That is a basic. I'm not even really sure I should consider this as a tip, but that is at the basic level what you should be doing to your Google listing. And of course, you need some other listings and citations and things like that across the scale. But number one is Google. Number two, social media. And I would guess that your franchise is doing a okay job posting on socials, but it's not your location. It's not your crew. And that's where we come in. If I can't be in your area, I'll send a video partner to your location to capture the content that we need. And then we're going to use that on social media, because at the corporate level, everybody can tell it's corporate, but they can definitely tell when it's local, when it's actually the shop near them down the road, when it's actually the people that they're going to be seeing. And that is the thing that really separates us from the corporate side of it, or the franchise headquarters side of it, is that we get down to the local level. Those local touches go so far when it comes to your marketing. When it comes to posting on social media, you should be on Facebook, you should be on Instagram, you should be on Nextdoor, and you should be doing all of the social media things. But the thing that makes us different when, compared to your franchise marketing is that we're going into the local level yet again. So we're posting locally on Nextdoor, we're engaging locally on Nextdoor, we're posting in local Facebook groups, and we're engaging on the local level. And that's what separates us from the franchise and the local, because we are infiltrating the neighborhood and we're going directly into the heart of the community and talking to people, engaging, solving problems, and building reputation online for your business. Another way that we help franchises on the local level is we get in their living rooms, and we do this by very strategic placing TV advertising as little as $50 a day. So we have access to a tool, to a software that can help us get on living rooms, on TV screens as little as $50 a day, and we are able to showcase your business, and we can get down to the zip code. So all of that local content, all of the heart of the community, all of that stuff we are now putting directly on a TV screen. Facebook, Instagram, Nextdoor, Google, all of that is great, but how about we get into your living rooms as little as $50 a day? And we do that for a lot of our franchises or multiple location stores. One of our most powerful tools is an email retargeting tool by using a website identification tool. So we're able to identify name, address, email address of people who visit your website before they fill out a form. Then we send them an email 1 hour later, 3 days later, monthly emails, and the open rates are to the tune of like 70%. We're staying top of mind. We're connecting with the local audience, we're re-engaging with them. When you do all of these things together in an omnichannel ecosystem, you are dominating at the local level, and you don't have to rely on the franchise to carry the weight of your marketing. So if you want better marketing for your franchise, for your location, reach out to me, Jennifer Sargeant. You'll book a call with me directly. We'll talk directly. And that NDA, don't worry about it. We'll sign it. Your franchise partner, that can be a little difficult to work with. Don't worry. We'll deal with it. We'll handle it all, because at the end of the day, we are the champion for you, and we're here to help you get more business, grow your business, and make more money.